replacing the turbocharger on your late model Ford with something stock, you could instead replace it with something that spools up like stock, manages EGTs slightly better than stock, and supports more power for you tuned guys than a stock turbo, but comes at a price point that's very close to the stock value proposition. That's where the STR is built. This is designed at the stock turbo replacement market, but it gives you more for your buck in every one of those departments. This thing spools up just like stock, manages EGTs better than stock, and makes more power than stock if you have the tune or any other supporting fuel mods. This turbo, of course, features our upgraded billet compressor wheel, which allows a higher airflow number and is matched with our proprietary turbine featuring extra thick blades for reliability. The design and construction of this turbo allows it to be run on a stock truck without any tuning, or of course you can take advantage of that extra airflow and run it on a tuned truck. Featuring a 360-degree thrust bearing, all new components, and a new boost control solenoid. These turbos are designed, machined, built, and validated all in-house at our Illinois facility. If you're looking to replace the turbocharger on your late model Ford, and you don't want to put a stock turbo back on because maybe you have a tuner or you're looking for just a little bit extra power, and you also don't want to ruin the drivability of your truck because you use it every day and you tow with it, the STR for the late model Ford is a great choice for you. If you have any questions about how the STR might work with your truck and setup, please give us a call.